What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bakes Foods. In today's video, in honor of the upcoming St. Patrick's Day, we're going to be making a classic Irish dish, corned beef and cabbage.
It's going to be delicious.
Corned beef and cabbage is traditionally made with corned beef and cabbage. Super easy recipe. You just get yourself a pre-marinated corned beef.
Brisket flat
or point, doesn't really matter.
Yeah,
especially in the slow cooker. Oh, it's gonna be tender either way. And then you can add. I mean, you can do
pepperonis, sausages.
Don't do those.
Oh,
we're gonna do potatoes, carrots, and cabbage. Some onion and garlic in there as well. Corned beef, obviously. A little bit of chicken broth, and then we'll season it to taste, and we'll just use that packet. Corned beef and cabbage. What's the best?
Corned beef and cabbage.
Alright. We just want our onion in large pieces. So I just like to cut them in little spears here. Kind of break them up like that. You can leave little chunks together. Hey, little guy. And then we're just gonna rough chop this garlic. And give it one more crush. Let that air out for just a minute. We'll add that to the crock pot. So first thing, we're gonna put our chopped onions, or sliced onion spears, I should say, and garlic. We're just gonna make that flat on the bottom. So here is our corned beef brisket. This is the flat cut. You can get the flat or the point, it doesn't really matter. This is about just over 3 pounds. It's pre-marinated, seasoned. All the work's done for you. So we're just gonna cut this open. We wanna keep all these juices in here. So we'll just cut this open and pour that right into the crock pot over our onions and garlic. Then we'll take our brisket, our bag here, and we'll just cut this open. Cut that open, making sure to keep all the juice in. And we're just gonna pour this right over the top. Now this, most of them are gonna have this little seasoning packet in here. So you're going to want to cut that open and pour that over. So we will just flatten out our brisket flat here. We'll keep the fat side up. We'll cut our package. Don't want that in there. And then we'll just evenly spread this seasoning over the top. So now we put our lid on, and then we turn our crock pot on, and we put it to low. Now this will cook for about 6 to 8 hours to get that nice fall apart tender. And what we'll do is we'll add our carrots and some potato after about 2 hours, and then about 5 hours, we'll add our cabbage. And we're also going to add in about a cup of chicken broth. Try to get it around the side here so we don't wash off any of that seasoning. Now we got a cup, kind of fill the outside there. And we'll just let that cook. Alright, now we're going to chop up our carrots and potatoes and add them to the slow cooker. So first we'll just cut off the ends, and then we'll just peel the skin lightly. And then we're just going to rough cut these potatoes. Look at that beautiful juice. Now we'll just add our carrots carefully, potatoes, gonna go ahead and try to get that underneath the meat. Finesse. Perfect. Okay, now all the carrots are submerged, potatoes are submerged, and we just left that fat cap up here. You just keep cooking and rendering.
First thing you're going to want to do here with your cabbage is you're going to want to peel off these outside layers because they're not as appetizing as you might think. Toss them. See the stalk here on the bottom?
Perfect spears. Throw some of the loose stuff. And we'll just set the cabbage over the top. The cabbage will render down and add a lot of moisture. There, and we just let her poke out the center there. Just a nice little piece of fat there, just saying hi to you. Alright, now we got about 2 more hours to cook. Ooh wee! That's looking good.
Oh yeah, lads.
Oh yeah. That's
Oh my goodness.
Woo! You want to break that up a little bit. I mean, look at that corned beef.
Beautiful color.
What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna kind of rip this apart here. Rips very easily. Alright, so we got it chunked up pretty good. Now what we're gonna do, right here, nice big chunks. A couple chunks in there. I'm gonna get some good cabbage in there. Then, get a little bit of that good broth. Look at that broth, man. Just good meat, and some carrots. Try to get some potato in there too. Some onion from the bottom. Ooh, there's the good stuff. We're gonna do a little bit of fresh cabbage. Fresh cabbage on there. Just gonna pile that nice and pretty again. Fresh diced onion. With parsley. Fresh ground pepper. And look at that. Don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna try this out here. Try a little bit of the broth here.
This is delicious. Better than a bowl of Lucky Charms.
It's a great dish, guys.
It's really hard to eat slow on this, honestly. I'm being very reserved right now.
All right, we're gonna eat this in celebration of St. Patrick's Day. Give this recipe a try. If you guys like it, let us know in the comment section below. Please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe for more videos, and until the next one, peace. Show them that Damascus pattern. Give them up close. Where'd you get that sweet knife, Ben? So, Ben, you're British. What do you know about Irish?
They live
What do you know
across the
about
things.
What's the best thing about corned beef and cabbage?
It's corned beef.
No, it's your farts.
Yeah, you don't want to be in the same room as Pat after we've had a big bowl of corned beef and cabbage.
Shut up, Pat.
It gets pretty gross.
Bendy spoon, you know.
Alright.